writing is a way of contributing to the political climate and saying something meaningful, because not all of us are going to run for office. I'm never going to run for office. My past is filthy. Writing is such a great career, but you definitely don't need to be a writer to enjoy this class. For one, I'm incredibly charming. Writing has always influenced public opinion. It's one of the most effective means of reaching a great number of people and to get other people on board with progressive ideas like women are people and Black Lives Matter and everyone should have health care. I know that these are very radical ideas, but writing for social change is really just writing to make a difference in this world. In this masterclass, you're going to learn how to write better, think deeper, and contribute your voice to the world in valuable ways. And we're going to talk about the business of publishing and how to really get a start. One of the things that we should always try to do as writers is to figure out what can you bring to this discussion that no one else can.
I mean, that feels more fun to me.
Isn't it more fun?
Yeah.
Perfection is not the goal when you're writing. Excellence is. Hunger is a memoir that I wrote about my body, and it starts with a sexual assault I experienced when I was 12. And I turned to food as a source of comfort and as a source of protection, thinking that if I made myself bigger, I would become safer. My body is a cage. My body is a cage of my own making. I am still trying to figure my way out of it. I have been trying to figure my way out of it for more than 20 years. It was a very difficult book to write because I was afraid. You don't need to be brave when you're writing. You need to acknowledge that you're terrified and do it anyway. But don't think that trauma is the only thing you have to offer. You can write about anything. Writing for a lot of people ends up being salvation. And when writing finds you, when writing saves you, it opens up a whole new world of possibility, and I hope that certainly is the case for you. I'm Roxane Gay, and this is my masterclass.